Hi, this is Larry with ManCave Mayhem. Today we are working on the 2024 Ford F-150. And as you can see, these pretty wheel wells here on the back have no protection from mud, dirt, snow, ice, rocks, gravel, whatever. We got an aluminum bed here. So I didn't feel real happy about that when I bought this truck. It's just really thin metal. And so I wanted to protect it in some way. So I went ahead and ordered some Husky wheel well liners for the back of this truck, and we're going to go ahead and install those today. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Check us out at Instagram at ManCave_Mayhem. Now let's get to unboxing these things and we'll do an installation. They're made out of a pretty nice heavy duty material, and it looks like it comes with some supplied hardware here. It's on the back of this wheel. Looks like you got some simple hardware and some instructions here. And so we'll get these over to the side of the vehicle and get them installed. In the F-150 kit, you're provided with these J-clips. You got 4 of those. You got 4 bolts that I'm assuming go into those J-clips. You got 4 Christmas tree plugs, and then you've got 8 washers, like grommets, rubber grommets. So that's what comes in the kit. We'll go ahead and get started. What you're going to need for this install, this is a 10mm head. So that's what you're going to need, a ratchet with a 10mm socket. We're going to take our 10mm socket with the ratchet, and we are going from the front to the back of this wheel well. And you can see this bolt right here. This is the only bolt you'll be removing. And that's a 10mm bolt. So we're going to go ahead and get that removed, and then we'll move from there to the next step. Now we're going to take 2 of the provided J-clips, and we're going to place them on these 2 holes right here. And we're going to do the smooth side facing out, and we're going to slide those on like that, and they should pop in and make an audible sound. The liner, and we're going to place it inside, and we're just going to tuck it up under this fender, and we'll go from there. I don't know if you can see this, but the wheel liner is conveniently marked DS for driver's side, so you can tell which one is the correct one. Wheel liner placed in, we're going to want to line these holes up with the J-clips, and we're going to take 2 of these bolts with the rubber washers, these 10mm bolts with the rubber washers, and we're going to snug those down, and then we're going to take our existing bolt and we're going to snug that one down. That'll complete the process on this step, and then we'll move to the next step. Rubber washer on this one and this one. This rear fender bolt, you don't want a rubber washer. It's got a washer on it already. So you're just going to secure that without it. All right, so these 2 Christmas tree washers, one goes down here and one goes down in this corner here. These rubber grommets go behind the fender. So it goes liner, fender, the Christmas tree washer goes in, and then at the very back behind the fender, this goes on the Christmas tree washer. Driver's side fully installed. It looks really good. And I'll show you real quick the difference. I mean, it just looks unfinished without having that there. Also, I wanted to show you how this works. So you've got the Christmas tree fastener. You run it through the hole. There's just no retention. That rubber washer helps retain it and sandwich that all together between the fenders. So I just wanted to show that to you. You want to make sure you do that right. All right, you're going to repeat the same process on the passenger side. Passenger side fender is obviously clearly marked, just like the driver's side fender is, with a PS, passenger side. You're just going to go through that same process. I think these fender liners are a nice, affordable addition to my F-150. They're going to help keep things clean under there. It's going to be easier to clean up when we go through mud and nasty debris. And it'll also protect the inside of the fender there a lot. And so that's going to about do it for this video. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Check us out at Instagram at ManCave_Mayhem. And just remember, folks, I'm just a man in a cave causing mayhem. Thanks again for watching.